All right, guys, time to do Platinum Baseball through Hit Parade. So this is Series 1. Been pulling some really nice stuff out of here. So box number 210 out of 400. So there's 400 boxes altogether. Each box gives you one high-end autograph card. So there's a 42-player checklist, and you're guaranteed to get one of those 42 players. And no scrub names at all. So every $20 spot gives you 3 random last names. So I've got Stephen K in this. Marty, you've got a spot. Stephen B's got 3. John P with 3. Frank with 2. Donnie with 2. And then Tom, you've got 2. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize the order for the players. All right. So randomize this 5 times. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So Ted Williams at the top. All right. Now let's randomize this 5 times and match them up. So everybody gets 3 random players. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we got Tom at the top. John P down at the bottom. All right, let's sort these. All right, so here we go. So Donnie, you've got Francisco Lindor, Ty Cobb, Mike Piazza, Yogi Berra, Aaron Judge, and Nolan Ryan. Frank R, you've got Corey Seager, Mattingly, Ripken, Hank Aaron, Buster Posey, Sandy Koufax. John P with Bo Jackson, Barry Bonds, Greg Maddux, Vlad Guerrero, Johnny Bench, Duke Snyder, Joe DiMaggio, McCutcheon, and Stan Musial. Marty's got Bellinger, Mariano Rivera, and Ichiro. Stephen B with Chris Bryant, Machado, Derek Jeter, Pujols, Joe McCarthy, Randy Johnson, Ken Griffey, Benintendi, and David Ortiz. Stephen K with Stanton, Chipper Jones, Ernie Banks. And then Tom, you've got Ted Williams, Kershaw, Bryce Harper, Mantle, Trout, and Mays. Got some nice names there, Tom. So a ton of Aaron Judges in this, which would go to Donnie. That's what we pulled out last weekend. And actually, that one that we pulled from Marty last week, that was a $400 card. So let's see if we can do something similar. All right, we got give you a minute to do some wheeling and dealing if you want to do that. The Maddox Glavin, yeah, that was out of Platinum. All right, so 210 out of 400. No trade offers for Marty. Oh, Stephen B wants to trade. All right, we'll give you guys 30 seconds. There's a lot of love in the break room. Hey, while we're giving you a minute, Adam, let me get back to you, man. Sorry about that. So I've got the Brewers, the Phillies, the Padres, and the Rangers for $1.50 each in Strata, 2015 Strata Baseball. Gym Mint Football, I'll list those here again. And then I've got a bunch of teams in Gym Mint Baseball as well. And then Gold Baseball, I've got the Diamondbacks, the Brewers, and the Rays. And those are $1.99 each. Dale, the Gym Mints it's a 2-pack break. All right. Ray wanting to jump in on that. Rams, Texans, and Chargers. All right, so we got Ichiro for Benintendi. All right, got it. Some peeled off. Oh, dude. How about a Mike Trout? 23 out of 50 from Topps Tier 1. On-card auto. And I think that was Tom. That was Tom. Pulled the Mike Trout. 23 out of 50. Nice hit. Not bad, Tom. Grabbing the last two spots. That's $40 well spent right there. So we will get that card mailed out this week. So congrats on that. And that'll do it for Platinum Baseball. So we'll do, again, we've got a single box break that we'll do next week. And if we can get that case sold out, then we'll break the full case. So if you guys want to get in on that, let me know. And I'll get that set up and ready this week, and then we'll break it next Sunday night.